Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from experimentalhomesteader.com, and before I begin, I wanted to say we did receive this item for free or at a reduced price for our honest opinions. All opinions are our own, and today I am talking about the Mrs. Brog Cigar Travel Humidor. Okay, it has a built-in hygrometer and humidifier, and it is capable of holding 7 cigars. Okay. It comes in a very nice box. Okay. Open that up. See, very nice display. Take it out. Okay. And on this end, you can see there's the hygrometer. This allows you to monitor the humidity within your humidor, so you can get it set to just the level that you want, and keep it at that level. And it opens very simply at both ends. Okay. Okay. So that's your sensor for your hygrometer. Now, we don't smoke cigars, so we are not planning on using this for cigars at all. We have an alternative use that we are planning on using this for. Sheri has lots of tropical plants, specialty plants, and what we're going to use this for is the germination of some of the seeds that require special conditions to germinate. There are certain plants and seeds that require a certain level of humidity, a certain level of moisture and temperature in order to germinate properly. So we have plans to use this to aid in the germination process, and so I'm looking forward to testing that out and hopefully getting some really nice seed germination, because this is it's kind of a unique way of using this. It's different from what I was, what I had thought of, and but it's a very nice, compact, easy to carry, and I really like this. If I were a cigar smoker, this would be wonderful for me, and absolutely perfect for carrying when you travel. But we have other plans, other uses, and so it's just a matter of getting started with that. And but it is a very nice design, and I like the color and texture of it. It's very nice. And looking forward to doing something with this. And so have a great day, and we'll see you back next time.